How to fix trust relationship between this workstation and the primary domain failed on Windows. 1. Sync time and date. 2. Modify domain name via sysdm.cpl. 3. Rejoin to domain. Restart your computer. Note, you may still need to clear the log files inside C:\program data /Microsoft /Windows Server /logs. 4. Verify DHCP configuration via dhcp-mgmt.msc. Path, IPv4 scope address and IP addresses. Right-click on Scope Properties. 5. Save domain controller. To Credential Manager. 6. Save domain controller to Credential Manager. 6. Confirm to Active Directory domain services port requirements. Run these commands in PowerShell as admin, $env computer name get add computer host name new add computer name host name sam account name host name path OU equals application servers OU equals computer accounts OU equals manage DC equals user 02 DC equals com 7. Recreate computer object on active. Directory. Google to read Microsoft's doc how to configure a firewall for Active Directory domains and trusts at https://docs.microsoft.com/n-us/troubleshoot/windows-server/identity/config-firewall-for-admin-domains-and-trusts. 8. Test and repair computer secure channel. Run these commands in PowerShell as admin, test computer secure channel, verbose test computer secure channel repair restart your PC now. 9. Reset credentials. Run these commands in PowerShell as admin, $credential equals get credential reset computer machine password credential $credential 10. Enable caching of domain credentials. Enter a number between 0 and 50 into interactive logon, number of previous logons to cache and security settings local policy security options in secpol.msc. Plan B, modified. cached logons count at computer \h key _local _machine /software /Microsoft /Windows NT /current version /win logon in registry editor. 11. Disable startup recovery. Run the following commands as admin. /set recovery enabled no /set boot status policy ignore all failures 12. Change machine account password age. Enter a number between 0 and 999 into domain member, maximum machine account password age at security settings local policy security options in secpol.msc. Plan B, modify. Maximum password age at computer /h key _local _machine /system /current control set /services /net logon /parameters in registry editor, accordingly. And if you're using the provisioning services to stream software form B disks, change the password age in your server properties. 13. Change machine password from domain controller. 13. Using Active Directory. Path, Active Directory users and computers app users. 13.2. Using netcom utility. Run resetboot /s server /ud domain /user /pd * command as admin. 13.3. Using nldisk utility. Run nldisk /sc _change _pwdadds domain name command as admin. 14. Reset computer account via dsa.msc tool. 15. Google how to check domain controller health. Hint, you may try diag/fix command first. 16. Remove duplicate domain controller SID. Run the following commands as admin. Ansiodal security account management check duplicate SID clean up duplicate SID quit 17. Clean up server metadata. Run the following commands as admin. Ansiodal metadata cleanup remove selected server name quit 18. Remove lingering objects and enable strict replication consistency. Run the following commands as admin. repadmin /show replace server name repadmin /remove lingering objects server name server GUID directory partition /advisory _mode repadmin /remove lingering objects server name server GUID directory partition repadmin /renkadc _list plus strict 19. Demote and repromote domain controller. Path, dsa.msc domain controllers. 20. Google how to troubleshoot USN rollback. Plan B, restore the domain controller back.